Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rosita Spita. Today I'm going to review several journal articles related to my research topic, which is teacher is questioning strategies in EFL classroom. Okay, I will explain about my first article. It's titled Enhancing Classroom Interaction Through Teacher Questioning Strategies, and analysis of question types and student engagement in FL learning right by Rahmaini. This study used a qualitative descriptive method. The data were collected through classroom observation and video recordings and analyzed using Miles and Habermas model. The findings show that display questions are used more frequently, followed by yes or no, referential, and open-ended questions. Display questions help check students' understanding, but usually produce short answer. Meanwhile, referential and open-ended questions encourage longer response and higher order thinking, although they are used less frequently. This study is very similar to my research because both focus on teacher is questioning strategies in AFL classrooms. However, this study also examines student engagement, while my research focus more on analyzing the type of questioning strategies. Now let's move to the next article. This article is titled An Analysis of Teacher is Questioning Strategies written by Belendos and others. The study used a mixed method design. The data were collected through a semi-structural questionnaire from 170 primary school teachers. The findings show that teachers use different types of questions, such as divergent question to attack students' attention. However, some teachers still misunderstand the types of questions. Teachers mostly ask questions to the whole class and use probing questions, but they rarely use questions that develop students' higher thinking. This study is similar to my research because both focus on questioning strategies. However, the study used a mixed method and involves many teachers, while my research focused on analyzing questioning strategies in a specific classroom. Okay, next, this article titled A Systematic Review of Teacher TAL and its effect on English language learning outcomes, written by Zulin Lin, Joanna Joseph Jaya Raj, and Liliati Ismail. The study used a systematic review method by analyzing 25 previous research articles published between 2018 and 2023. The findings show that teacher talk plays an important role in students' learning outcomes. Most studies show positive effects such as improving students' English skills and their social and emotional development. However, some studies also show negative or no significant effect. This study is related to my research because both focus on teacher talk in the classroom. However, this study focuses on the impact of learning outcomes, while my research focus more on analyzing teacher questioning strategies. Moving on the next article. This article is titled Classroom Interaction in Communicative Language Teaching of Secondary School, written by Novi Lesiana and others. The study used a qualitative method. The data were collected through classroom observation, semi-structured interviews, and questionnaires. The findings show that the teacher dominates classroom interaction, and good interaction only happens at the beginning of the lesson. Most students only give short responses, and their interaction is often not related to the lesson. The study also identified several factors affecting interaction, such as lack of motivation, limited vocabulary, and fear of making mistakes. This study is related to my research because both focus on classroom interaction. However, this study focus on interaction problems, while my research focus more teacher is questioning strategies. And the last is direct motivation. a key issue in the EFL classroom, written by Carmen Jessica Musso Buendia and Jose Luis Ortega Martin. The study was conducted with primary school students to explore their motivation in learning English, including their favorite subjects and factors that influence their motivation. The findings show that motivation plays an important role in learning English. The study highlights that teachers should not only focus on helping students pass exams, but also on developing the intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. This study is related to my research because both discuss about EFL classroom learning. However, this study focuses on student motivation, while my research focus more on teacher is questioning strategies. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.